Well, I recorded a bunch yesterday. I thought I'd do it 4K 60 frames per second with my GoPro. Well, I wanted to go upload it to edit it, and my computer can't handle it, so I had to waste all that footage. I don't know how. There's probably a way to downgrade it. I still have it. I'll look into it, but I don't know what all I got, so. This ended up being what was bad here. This adapter, the 7-pin end of these, the one that plugs in. So now I do have working lights. I got the house, everything out of the house that I needed to get out, except for my frozen food and some refrigerated stuff, because with all the rain we had, I lost level and lost refrigerator again. So I have it in the house, but before I leave, I'll throw it in here. Laundry soap. I still have a couple loads of laundry to get done tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow, because I think I might try to get out of here Friday instead of Saturday. Depends what time my prescriptions are ready. That's all I'm waiting on now. I got all good news back from the doctor's tests. Some really good news. That's okay. I did book a campground near Bowling Green, Kentucky, where I can do my tanks. So what I want to do is, it's 8.5 hours away in a car, so I don't know how long it's going to take me. Kind of want to get there during the daytime. And with it getting dark at like, well, it might actually be a different time zone too, so I might be catching another hour there. I'll have to look into that. I was thinking of leaving Friday whenever my prescriptions are ready to go, and then just going 2 or 3 hours away somewhere in Ohio, a Walmart or something, just crashing there for the night. Then Saturday will be a lot less of a drive. It won't be pushing 8.5 hours, 9 hours to get somewhere, plus stopping. I have 3 fuel stops planned. I don't need 3, I need 2, but the third one will be just so I have enough for when I leave there, because I don't know what's past there yet. I know from there I'm gonna be heading to Texarkana. I think I'm staying the night there. That's about where the weather is much more improved compared to here. Texarkana, Arkansas, not in Texas. And then from there I'm probably going to take southern Texas over to New Mexico, through there, stop, see my sister and her husband in Tucson, and then head up through Phoenix into Quartzsite. I think leaving Friday, getting maybe even 3 hours in driving would be great. That would be a wonderful head start. And then another 5.5 hours, 6 hour max the next day. I'd just leave at like 8 in the morning, get there at 2. That'll give me 3.5 hours daylight, depending on the time change. I'm not quite sure where the time change is at. What is it, Central? Yeah, I think it's Central time. Next one. Let's see, Eastern, Central, Mountain, Pacific, I think is what it is. So I think that is actually going to be Central time. Today is Tuesday. By the end of today, I'll have everything inside the RV that's going. The tracker's ready to go. Tomorrow, Wednesday, my sister and her husband are coming in, so I'm more or less just going to spend time with family tomorrow and Thursday. Tomorrow I'll probably do some laundry too, because I don't know what time they're going to get here. And then just waiting on my prescriptions. So I'll check back in a little bit, see where we're at. Well, I've been walking around today. I'm on my last load of laundry. I did put one of my Ring cameras here. It's on there pretty good. The reason I put it there I never got a chance to do this window. So I got my phone mounted up there. I could have it on the screen while I'm driving and put it on live view to see what's in this lane over here. Will it stay? Boy, I hope so. But I've been going around just looking to see, make sure I have everything ready to go. I did notice a couple things. Good thing to do. It's a really good thing to do walk-arounds. First thing I noticed was that I forgot to put that sticker on. My registration sticker. Luckily I got that on. Now what I'm noticing, I can't do much with it right now, but once I pull the RV onto the street, I could probably raise it up. It's hard to really see it with the tracker being here, but you'll notice the poop carrier is blocking that brake light and turn signal. So I'm gonna have to go up probably 3 steps to get it out of the way. 3 feet higher than I normally would be once I get off this. So I'll be able to get that up there much easier. So all I got left in here is that garbage there on the right, this stuff for storage on the left. So I bet if I went through all that stuff for storage, I'd have less than half of it left. It's mostly stuff I don't really need. That's for next year. I am out of breath. I forgot to take my pills. I'm just now realizing that. Now I noticed when I got this, the check engine light was not on, but it is now. So I was trying to find the OBD2 port. And I've been searching all over for it so I could run a diagnostics on it. Turns out this is a very common issue. First off, this has to come off, because when Ford sent these chassis out, cabin chassis out to the RV designers, people who are building, the builders, they left the OBD2 port in here, and it was the responsibility of whoever the builder is to take it out after they designed their dash and everything and mount it under here. And especially in this era, late 90s, early 2000s, none of the builders did it. So I'm going to take this off, find a way to mount this a little bit better, and I'm going to run a diagnostic, see if I can reset that check engine light. Well, this is where everybody else is saying that it's supposed to be. Let me shed a little light on the situation here. And I can't see what's down there, but that's not an OBD2 port. And I don't see anything here, so I'm going to have to go outside and go back around. See, maybe it is disconnected somewhere here. Okay, I'm not having any luck finding an OBD2 port. I should have something like this going to it. Those, well, what's over here? Oh, there it is. Data link connector. That's it. Okay, they did take it out. It's about 2 hours since I last spoke with you. That scanner tool, my scanner tool, has been sitting right here for weeks, or somewhere in that area, because I left it out so that I remember to look for that OBD2 port and to scan that before I left. So now that I finally found that OBD2 port, I can't find a scanner anywhere. So I'm going to keep on looking. It's starting to get dark. So I'll keep looking. And if I don't find it, I'll stop along the road somewhere and I go. I think of like O'Reilly and AutoZone, all of them. I think they all will run a scan for you. Or I'll just stop at a shop somewhere and let them do it. Well, this may be the end of the video if I don't find it. So if it is, have a wonderful Thanksgiving to you and your family. And I'll catch you after Thanksgiving when I'll be leaving here. All right, guys. See ya.